Well, today, the market in Ann Arbor is really a tale of two markets, right? The real estate market here is sending mixed signals. It's hot in some areas and it's cooler in others. And the strength of the market is highly dependent on price points and neighborhoods, with some homes literally flying off the market in a matter of days, while others linger and eventually sell for less than list price. So there's a couple of market trends that I'm keeping a close eye on. And the very first is that price reductions are actually up 49% for the month of May compared to last year. And this is signaling that sellers are having to adjust expectations as buyer behavior shifts. Another trend is that listings now, they increased 25% in March compared to last year, giving buyers more options and really intensifying competition for sellers. Now, homes are either selling quickly, often within the first week, or they are sitting longer and eventually selling for less. And if you're considering listing your home, it's really crucial to understand the three factors that consistently drive a successful sale in today's market. The very first one is photography. Now, keep in mind that today, most consumers begin the search online. So if the property does not show well with photography, they probably aren't even going to walk in the front door. So it's very important you have professional staging, right? Even in a fast-paced market, you want high-quality still photography. You want narrative-driven videos, 3D virtual tours, aerial drone shots, all of these which are going to really emphasize your home. These are not nice to have anymore. You have to have them. They're essential to attracting serious buyers. The second is marketing. You really need maximum exposure to attract the right buyer, especially for unique or higher end homes. Now, leverage social media platforms for visibility. You're going to have to ensure your listing is featured on all the aggregators such as Realtor.com and Zillow. You're going to have to use email marketing to reach buyer databases and local agents. A targeted multi-channel approach ensures your property really stands out. Pricing. Now, in a shifting market, pricing must remain very fluid and has got to stay responsive to the feedback. So if you've had 10 to 12 showings and you do not have an offer on your property, you are probably, the market's telling you, you're probably 4 to 6% over list price. And if you're not even getting that many showings, you're probably closer to 10% over list price. Most important, what you need to do is you have to listen to your realtor. They bring the data, the experience, and perspective that can help you navigate market shifts with clarity and confidence. One of the most common mistakes sellers make is ignoring this advice, and often at the expense of time and money. So the bottom line, the market is active but nuanced. If you're thinking about selling, positioning your home correctly from day one, it's more important than ever before. And we're here to help you, guide you every step of the way. So if you have any questions about the market, as always, you can reach me at the office here at 734-761-3060.